Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Winata Eka Pratama. I am from class D3 TM1B. On this time, I will explain little about his welding machine. A welding machine is a machine that can connect iron into a single circuit and this from a shape that you want or need. The principle of the work of a welding machine is to burn iron and connect two or more metal parts using heat energy. Machine welding tape with is 1. Acetylene weld, 2. Electric weld. 3 types of electric welding machine which is 1. Shielded metal arc welding, 2. Metal inert gas, 3. Tungsten inert gas. After an interview about the welding machine, this time I will explain the shielded metal arc welding, electric welding. The price range is a set of electric welding machines $1 million to $2 million. The main tool for welding work with the welding machine: cable mesh, electrode cables, cable brace for mesh, electrode holder, slag hammer, welding wire. Work safety and healthy equipment are welding helmets, gloves, apron, safety shoes, and mask. Here is how you use welding machine. Install a safety pin on the hole placed in the electric welder. Stainless plugs in the minus hole in the electric welder. Turn on an electric welding switch set and electric current that matches your needs and the size of your electrodes. Electrodes grip on black open deck pins plus and welding pins with stainless pinions minus. Begin to weld by attaching electrodes to the desired object in a lace. Maybe that's all I can explain, more or less. Apologies. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.